Hi everyone and welcome back to the Creative Corner. In today's video, we are diving into a powerful AI utility that's quickly becoming essential for writers, students, marketers, and content creators. It's called Tenorshare AI Bypass. This tool is designed to transform AI-generated text into natural human-like content that easily passes through the Contest AI detector. If you have ever struggled with ChatGPT style content being flagged or sounded robotic, this tool could be exactly what you need in this step-by-step video. I will show you how to use Tenorshare AI Bypass from start to finish, the different modes and tone settings. It offers a live comparison of AI detected versus humanized content and some pro tips to get the most authentic output. Make sure to watch till the end. I will be testing the final result through real detection tools to see how well it performs. First, log into your account. Once you are signed in, you will see an interface like this. On the left side, you will find three main options. AI bypass, paste your text here to convert it into human-like content. AI detector checked. If your content is detectable by AI tools history, view and assess your previously converted text. Let's get started. I'm opening ChatGPT and asking it to generate some content for us. Now I am copying that content and pasting it into GPTO. Then I click on the scan button to check if it's detected as AI generated. As you can see, GPTO has successfully scanned the content and the result shows that it's 100% AI generated. This means the text is easily detectable by AI detection tools and would not pass as human written. Now let's use Tenorshare AI Bypass to humanize this content. I'm copying the AI generated text and pasting it into the tool. Let's see how well it converts this into natural human-like writing in the center panel. You will see two key options, mode and tones. Let's you choose how much the content should be changed. Next to it, we have the tone option, which controls the writing style. You can choose from tones like. Now I am selecting the fast mode. After that, I will click on the check for AI button to see if the tool has successfully reduced AI detection. You can see the analysis results here at the top there. There is a clear warning saying the input content is likely AI generated. Below that, various AI detectors like GPTO, ZeroGPT, and CopyLeaks have all marked this content with a red indicator confirming that it's not human written. To convert this AI generated content into a more human-like version, we will simply click on the Humanize button. As you can see, the tool has started processing the content in just a few seconds. You can see that the tool has successfully converted our content into a human-like version. After humanizing, the content tool like GPTO, ZeroGPT, CopyLeaks, and others are now detecting the text as human written. This confirms that the Tenorshare AI Bypass tool has effectively rewritten the content by bypass AI detectors. Now let's check how much of the content has been humanized. We will simply copy the humanized text and paste it into ZeroGPT and click on the detect button, and here is the result. ZeroGPT shows 0% AI, which means the content has been completely humanized. This confirms that the rewritten text is now natural enough to pass AI detection tools without raising any red flags. Know that our content is fully humanized and has passed all major AI detection tools we can safely copy and use this content anywhere. Whether it's for blog academic, written assignments, websites copy, or even professional emails. Since it's no longer being flagged as AI generated, there is no risk of rejection or credibility loss, and it reads just like something written by a real human. And that is for today's video. We have seen how Tenorshare AI Bypass can quickly and effectively transform AI generated content into human-like text that easily passes detection tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Creative Corner for more powerful tools, tips and tech tutorials. Got any question or want a review of an other tool? Drop a comment below. I had love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.